Okay, so we're back, and we're back with a word that's kind of a little bit complicated. Match. Yeah, you can got football match. You got a match to light your cigarette. You got matching clothes. You've got I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna go for match as in a football game, but I know that it's going to be a little bit of a difficult one because you're kind of thinking about football match usually has 2 or 3, 4, 11 characters, it's like so it's kind of like a tough one really, because the way I kind of do things is kind of like I draw it like just kind of like start with something, have an idea, and so for this to work out oh dear, I'm not sure. I'm not sure it'll work out because it's quite a lot to think about. I'm going to start off with some kind of character, some kind of bird, I guess. Maybe like a parrot or something like that, maybe. Let's just see if we can. See if we can get a nice kind of parroty head to him. Something like that. I'm trying to think of him as possibly like the goalkeeper or something like that. It's like, I just broke my nib. Well, that is not a good start, is it? Do that too often, basically. Let's try to find another one here. Alright. Well, this pen's got lucky written on it, so and let's hope it is. I used to go through a whole kind of stage of kind of being very kind of, I don't know, is it superstitious, I guess, about my pens, and certain pens would be good luck, and when the drawing didn't go too well, then it became a bad luck pen, and oh yeah, a madness of bloody artists, Jesus. Anyway, that's his shirt. Let's get some nice big. Some big feathers there. Obviously, he's the goalkeeper, so he's got his hands up, ready for the ball to come flying at him at 1,000 billion miles an hour. Let's give him a nice number 1 on his shirt, because the goalkeepers are usually a number 1. Give him some kind of logo. It's no football team, if anybody's asking. It's just a bit of fun. Obviously, he doesn't really look too happy, does he? Poor thing. Oh dear, 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 what have I done? I've drawn the saddest goalkeeper on earth, I think. Poor little man. A poor little bird, I should say, really. Yeah, big parrot-like tail. And we've got his long kind of bandy legs. Something like that. Not quite sure what parrot's legs look like, but I guess a lot of birds have the similar type of three-toed thing going on. Is it three toes? Anyway, this is the parrot, and he's got, oh, 4 toes, of course. He's got the one at the back, and of course he has. Silly man. He's standing there in the grass. I'm not sure who's coming towards him now, but I kind of like this so far. It's kind of quite fun and silly. And fun and silly are always the best words to do when you're doing a drawing. Remember that. If you ever get lost and you don't know what to do, fun and silly. That's the way to go. There you are, there's your man in the goal line. And I guess the goal posts are going to come down there somewhere. It's got a kind of bandage thing there to tie it on. I guess it's kind of like a bamboo poles or something like that. Kind of join. There we are. And that's the net. So he's kind of standing in the goal waiting for them to shoot. Don't know who's shooting yet. Somebody over there. Somebody over there is going to be shooting the ball. It's going to have to be somebody quite small if he's a bird though, isn't it? So let's see what we've got there. Cool. A little bit more down there. All right. Right. So, what have we got coming there? Should we do another bird, or should we do like a mouse, or what should we do? I'm not sure. There you go. That's the fun of making up as you go along. Why don't you try another bird? That might be fun. Since I've already made that big splash there, let's do it as a different type of bird. Let's give him a nice kind of big googly eye. Don't know, birds and googly eyes always seem to work good, don't they? There we are, so that's the bird coming in. He's going to be, I guess he's doing some kind of trick there with these. Oh dear, I don't know what to do next. Yeah, that's my bird. Let's give him quite a nasty kind of aggressive type look as he's coming in there. That's his shirt. Okay, don't have enough space there for his let's try and give him a nice big running pose there with his wings. There you go. He's a little bit more feathery. Oh, he looks kind of aggressive coming in there, doesn't he? My God, what was going through my mind there? Alright, there he's coming in. He's coming in quite fast and furious, really, isn't he? He's coming in. Alright, I'm going to do these legs there. I'm going to have to give him some shorts, maybe. So he's going to be a number 7. You won't see it much, but you can just imagine it. We'll put it on his shorts as well, so we know. Number 7. Number 7's usually the striker anyway, isn't he? So here he comes. Racing in. Give him that long kind of gangly feet. It's kind of coming running in. And the poor guy's looking at him like, oh my God, what are you gonna do? Cool. That's his big claws coming in to put his foot down as he's just getting ready to hit the ball. Don't forget the ball. Yeah, that's the ball. He's getting ready to strike. Let's get his legs up there. Bring his leg back there. So he's just pulling that leg back up. Like, I'm ready to hit this thing. I'm ready to score a goal. I don't know. The parrot doesn't look too worried, does he? Doesn't look too worried at all. He's just going, yeah, man, go on then, you kick it. I'm pretty cool here. I'm just chilling. You're all fired up and angry, and I'm going to save that ball. That's what he's saying. Go on, you kick it as hard as you want. I'll save it. That's what the parrot is. He's not sad or bored. He's just cool and chilled. He's like, yeah, well, you crows come in playing football, looking all hot and full of vinegar. But us parrots are like chilled, man. We're like cool. We're like, yeah, you come for it. We're ready. Come on, baby, you come for it. There he is. That's kind of funny. That's the edge of the pitch back there somewhere. Let's draw some audience. They're all back there watching, cheering away. Put like a big kind of banner up there and like a little flag there, and there you are. That's what they all are. All these people watching the game, cheering on. Go on, parrot, save this ball. Oh. And if he saves this, he'll be like the hero of the town. cool. I like that. Put in some little bits of grass there just to kind of keep it real. So that's what today's word is. Match. Football match. Oh, got a big bleed coming through there. Let's pick that up. Sometimes I just drop a bit of tissue in it just to soak up some of those big lumps of ink. Otherwise, when the angle of the desk, sometimes they just come running down there. So let me know in the comments who's gonna be the winner out of this. Is this crow gonna score a goal and be the superhero of his town, or is the goalkeeper here? Is he gonna come flying in and get everybody cheering as he scores his goal? What do you reckon? Woo! My God, the drama in my own drawing. Cool. Right, let's get a name on there. My name's Kieron Seamons, and it's been a pleasure. As always, it's been a pleasure to draw for you. Or with you, if you're drawing. If you are drawing, let me know. I'd love to know what you're drawing. I'd love to know. Right. If you're drawing along while I'm drawing, that'd be so cool. You let me know. In the comments, let me know. That would be a fabulous thing, wouldn't it? We're both drawing at different ends of the earth. What a beautiful idea that would be. And this has been Match for the Inktober today. So hopefully you're, maybe if you're part of the Inktober, also let me know. I would love to know. I'm very curious to see what artwork you're doing today. There we are. So, thank you very much for watching today. Very much appreciated. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you can get some sense of drama, some sense of fun out of this drawing. Nothing's planned. I just put the ink down and see where it takes us, and I think that's pretty cool. I think today's been a good one. I like that. So, I would love to get some comments from you. So send me a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and you get lots of drawings very often. There's lots of like 600 there to watch anyway. So thank you very much. Have a fantastic day. And thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.